All right, today something maybe a little controversial. I'm Dan Digler. Welcome to I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge, where I give you a marketing tip every single day. If you don't want to miss these, subscribe. Just smash that button or go to dandigler.com and subscribe so that you get all of these. That's dandigler.com/30DC. 30-day challenge. That's where you can subscribe for the I Ain't No April Fool 30-day marketing challenge emails, and you'll get one every morning. So back to the topic at hand. I'm going to make a bold statement here. If you can't measure it, don't do it. Just don't do it. Why? Well, I've had a ton of clients, do things like buy TV ads or radio commercials and just not be able to measure the impact. They had no strategy in place for understanding, are these people walking into my business because of the radio ad or because of my Facebook page or because of the emails that I send? And when that happens, honestly, you're just wasting money. You're just throwing it away. Like, you might as well just be throwing it right there in that lake. And instead of doing that, just give it to me, because if you're just going to throw it away like that, just do that. Now, I'm not harping on radio. I'm not harping on TV either, because you can measure those. You can measure all of it. And I will get to those in some future videos about how do you measure traditional media that traditionally has not been measurable. There are definite ways to do that today. So if you don't know how to measure, don't do it, and put that money into something you can measure. Put it into digital advertising. Put it into a better email platform. Put it into paying for a live event where you can attract people into your business, or put it into some discount offer that people have to redeem to take advantage of, because you can track all of that. And if you'd like to do something that is a bit more traditional or on a mass scale, let's talk, because I definitely love to help you understand how to measure all that. I'm Dan Digler. This is I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge. Make sure you subscribe or hit up dandigler.com to subscribe via email. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.